ads are painful. So, remote companies are still doing business. But when this ad goes on handheld mobile, life becomes hell. That is also acceptable. But when these ads are always floating on the mobile screen, what do you feel? Want to throw away the mobile? Don't. Wait, bro. I am Shakib here for you. I'll save you from this problem. Your mobile is adware infected. So let's kick out the adware.
You may want to join Discord server to know tiny tips and tricks. Link in the description.
First, go to setting. It will be on your home screen. Find out and open. Scroll down and find out Google. Tap on it. You will see an option named Ads. Tap on it. Opt out of ads personalization. Turn this off. And go back once and tap on manage your Google account. Then data and personalization. Scroll down and find out. Go to ad setting. Under ad personalization, tap on it and turn off. Ad personalization is on. Tap on it and turn off. Select visit your online choices. This will take a while. Scroll down and tap on continue. Select opt out, select all. Opt out, select all. Top right corner of the window. And scroll down. Tap on opt out of all. This also take a while. That's it. Your problem should be fixed by now. But if you still face the same problem, close everything and find Google Store and open it. Play Store, search Malwarebytes. First on the search list, tap on it. Again and tap on install. Open Malwarebytes. Give permission. It's a paid software, so you have to use trial version. Start trial. Scan now. After scan finished, tap on fix now. That's all. Your phone will be fixed by now. So if you need full version of Malwarebytes, link in the description. So subscribe, like, share, it's your two thing. So thank you, stay fine, stay careful, and stay awesome.